Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the iPhone to your laptop with a known good Lightning or USB-C cable. This avoids intermittent transfers. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust so the laptop can read photos. Open your laptop's Photos or File Explorer app immediately. Doing this first speeds detection and prevents timeouts. Also disable auto lock on the phone or keep it awake so transfers don't pause. These steps get the devices talking and let you move to selecting which images to import. Once the app detects the phone, select the photos or album you want and pick a destination folder on the laptop. Creating year and month folders keeps things tidy. If the app offers format options, choose Keep Originals to preserve HEIC or RAW files, or convert to JPG if you need compatibility. Monitor the progress bar and avoid using heavy CPU tasks until finished because transfers can slow. If you use iCloud Photos, pause syncing so local imports don't duplicate files. That prevents confusion later. After import finishes, open several thumbnails and at least a couple full-size images to confirm files aren't corrupted. This step verifies the backup integrity. Safely eject the iPhone before unplugging. Then immediately copy the imported folder to an external drive or upload to cloud storage for redundancy. 2 backups are safer than 1. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting trick. Swap the cable, reboot both devices, and attempt import again. That fixes most connection and detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.